Hello everyone, my name is Kadi, and today I'm back with another live trading vlog. It is currently 9:18 a.m. so I'm kind of getting to the charts pretty late. I just been trading on my TradingView account. I haven't made any trades on my NinjaTrader. As you can see, today's 9:16, so I took two trades. They were winners. And yeah, I'm in this trade. I don't know if it'll win. We'll see. On the 10-minute, we just tapped into a 10-minute zone. So I don't know if it will bounce from this to continue, or maybe if it'll go lower because I have two setups in it. The wick is too long, so brought the fib out for the 50% level. So I have a limit order set there. If this one stops me out, I got in on this setup on the 2-minute for this candle right here, but I forgot to check on the 10. So if this 2-minute loses, then I'll look for hopefully the 3. Hopefully this one wins. I don't know, bro. I'm tired. As far as news today, hold on, let me zoom in for y'all. As far as news today, at 8:30 we had CPI, Canadian, and like 2 red folders for USD. What did that do? Let's find out. Let's see. Let's go back to one. It was like 8:30, right? So 8:30. So this is what happened. Nothing like crazy. Oh, this is on the 10-minute. Let's 8:30. Yeah, really nothing crazy, to be honest. It's just kind of like this. So I don't know. We'll see. I feel confident about this setup, and the reason why I took it, even though if you look on the 10-minute, we are at a reversal area. The reason why I took it is because price closed bearish, like very strongly in this zone. So I was just like, okay, price may want to continue going down or being bullish or whatever the fuck. But it seems like that was incorrect because we're about to get stopped out right now. Okay, so we got stopped out, but then we got entered into another trade. This is the 10-minute zone. So let's just take that. Let's just clear all of this shit, bro. It's just way too much. So this is the 10-minute setup right here. Again, entry right here. Wait, what? What? Huh? I was not prepared for that. That don't even make any sense. So they combined the setup that I was in previously with the setup. So, because I thought, okay. So right now, nothing is happening. Nothing, at least, that I feel confident about. Of course, I mentioned I did take those 2 trades before on my TradingView account, but they were kind of just trades to get my feet wet. Was I confident about them? Yes, but not confident enough to really take them on the NinjaTrader. Like, just looking at price action when I woke up today, I was just like, okay, it might be like a slow day or a slow start to the day. So, for the professional one, I want to be able to take, good looking setups in hopes of, price going in our favor. So yeah, nothing is happening. It's currently 9:22. I'm just waiting for 9:30. Hopefully we can see some movement of some sort. But yeah, so far price is just right here. This is the 2-minute. Hoping that price can hit TP. We can just kind of get out of this trade and then wait, or price might play till 9:30. Who knows? But I'll let y'all know. Okay, I had to come back. This is, of course, still in the demo thing, but price literally retraced, went all the way down here, and then came up, hit my stop loss. I said stop loss, my TP, but of course, TradingView doesn't count that because it just wicked it, but it never exactly hit it. So my stop loss or my TP is at, oh, it never hit it. It's at this point, 83.25. Let me just confirm something. Okay, just making sure stuff wasn't delayed. But yeah, just wanted to show that real quick. It's currently 9:26. So, I don't know. I think price is either going to stop me out or tip my direction. But yeah, definitely building up orders, consolidating, and doing its shit. Actually, I kind of want to take another sell. I'm wild. I'm going a little crazy. That's okay. If I get another, we get another sub. This is crazy. We'll see. I'll let y'all know. Oh yeah, it's 9:27. Oh, we got in this trade. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, I'm having a blast. Yo, if we lose, look at that. If we I'll let y'all know. Okay, so price is getting close. So apparently it hit TP, but it didn't hit the original TP. But all those trades that I was in, TP got hit. I'm still looking to see if price will hit my original TP. It's currently 9:29. We got 24 seconds until 9:30. So I was pretty confident about the selling position. How many contracts? 9 contracts for a low ass TP. Yeah, why not? Risking 1,000 to make 100. Might as well, right? All right, so we got 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens. Oh, ayo. Hello, Moto. What's going on? Let me clear all this shit. Oop. Did not need to do that. Move drawings. Yeah, price looks a little bit rough. Rough on the surfaces. The surfi. There's nothing really here though. Me, I'm just looking. Hold on. Let me analyze for myself and then I'll let y'all know. Okay, I think we might be bullish. Depending on where the energy is. Because I'm looking at this chart. This is on the 10 minute. I'm looking at this and I'm like, okay, price just tapped into the zone. We did get a retracement, a little bit of retracement. So let's see what happens. The only reason why I was so like, price wants to sell is because we saw this strong bearish closure here. And I was just like, okay, it seems like price may want to go even more down. But right now, we're just going to chill. We're going to wait. This is the 9:30 candle. If the 9:30 candle is wild, that's usually a sign. Like, when I mean wild, I just mean like wicky like this. Like liquidity clearly being taken. I think it may want to continue going for sells, but I have no fucking idea. Honestly, I'm just going to wait till like something pops off. Because it seems like price is in a box. But it grabbed liquidity from all of this. So I have no idea where price wants to go, and I don't want to predict. Don't predict. So I won't. Just invert the scale. We definitely are ranging a bit. That's what I'm saying. I'm seeing a little bit of a range in this area, like a little maybe this will then come back and then who knows. But nothing really, anything that gets me like, oh yeah, let me take that. So I'll let y'all know. So this is not a good trade, but I decided to take on my TradingView account. But I saw this little range here and I wanted to take a chance on it. But I didn't want to take a chance on it on this one because this is not good price action. But I was just like, you know what? On my little demo, why not take a little bite? It hit TP. But of course, you know, it didn't hit TP. So, oh, now it did. Oh, cool. So that's what we were looking for. Just a little, this is a 10-minute zone, but I didn't want to tap into it because I don't like the price action here. So to go for a higher zone, I'd be a little bit sus. No lie, but also possible. But hey, I'll let you know if I take, or I don't know. I'll let you know what happens next, if anything. Okay, I just took another trade again on the trading view account because I don't like this price action to take it, but at the same time I'm like, we could actually eat on this for a little bit, right? So I just took a sell setup, and now just one. So now price, okay, see, now we get a little of a breakout. If price closes like this, hold on, let me check the 10-minute. I'm just checking right now. Okay, hold on. Price on the, I'm really looking at this. I'd be going for a sell right now. Or a buy. But I'm scared. So I'm going to take it here. The buy. Catch the 150. 300. Oh, and it hit TP. See, I'd be so nervous, bro. I'd be so nervous. I'd be taking trades. So many more trades. Hold on. Take the 2-minute, the sell. If it hits, it hits. If not, then no. Especially if it closes like above. Definitely gonna take this setup. Okay, the setup is still, they're still forming, so nothing is confirmed yet. But if this closes with some tenacity, we got 80.75 or 80.75. So I'm just waiting. 25 seconds left. I don't know if you can see that. 20 seconds left. I'm just waiting. And then that would be my new zone. We got 10 seconds left. 8, 7. All right, I'm gonna put it down. Okay, 2, 1. Okay, cool. So we have that set up right there. I'm looking at it. Price just went past this zone. That's where we took that buy setup on the trading view account. Okay, so we're currently on this trade right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. We had a strong rejection or reaction. Let's see if we can get the dub.
Order filled.
Let's go. Okay, so we got the dub. That's awesome. Okay, let's see what else price does. Okay. Price, we got 125 left. So this is a huge wick. So I'd only want to take, depending on how it closes, I'd only want to take the 50% level of that zone. And yeah, so if it closes like that, we'll take it at, what is that, 79.75. But that all depends on how this trade closes. We got less than 50 seconds left. So yeah, I don't know, if price keeps on going, the likelihood of it coming back, you know, that's crazy. And we got 40 seconds left. In the meantime, let me just check to make sure how things go, how things are going. Where are we getting, what, haha, what areas are we coming up to? Okay, so we like this one. This is another one. Let's go back to the 2-minute. Okay. I see this area as a potential, you know, like a buy. Take a buy. I'm scared to do this on my live account, but here it's just like, you know what, man, why not? Drake, man, you know. Okay, so we taking it at 79.75. 79.75 for the sell. Wait, hold on. This is a, okay, yeah. So we'll be taking this setup. Let's see if price gets us into the zone. Wait, 79, 75. 79, 75. I'm just making sure that that's... Oh, I think price left without us. Hey, that's up. Alright. Well, that trade is still up there. Trade is still on. But just in case it doesn't come back and this zone forms, we have this ready and prepared. That's 77.50. Right there, we got less than a minute left on this candle, so we'll move our entry if we get that zone closure. This candle has 6 minutes left on it. This candle right here has less than 40 seconds left into it. So let's see if price comes back further down or if we get tagged into another trade. The light is coming to let everything the darkness stole. Okay, it's coming back down now. We got 17 seconds, 14 seconds. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let me check the 10 minute one more time. Okay, so we didn't form that zone, so we're just gonna take off that area. Price may continue to go down without us, but that really just depends on like what happens. It's not a lot of action right now, so I'll let you know. Ooh, or maybe should I just let it play out? No, I'll let y'all know. Okay, so price just formed this new zone right here, so I might be taking this. We got less than 40 something seconds on this zone. We got less than 5 minutes on the 10 minute on this zone, so I'm gonna 29 seconds. So this is 76, no, sorry, 77, 75, 77, 75. I'm moving it now because it looks too, it's like so high up that it's like, I don't know. We got, wait, I'm scared. Okay, wait, it looked good until like last moment. Okay, 5, 4, yeah, we should be in a good place. So we got 77, 75, okay. Let's see what price does here. Let's check the 10 minute one more time. Price just tapped into a bullish zone, so I can see some bearish movement happening here. So if this one seems like it's gonna have maybe a lot more power to it. Oh, that's such a shame. It barely wicked our zone. It wicked our zone and then it hit TP. Man, those are one of those shitty things that really gets to you. Yeah, but we're just here. I'll let you know if we get a tag in. Okay, so we just got a tag in. This may be a loser because I think price got into a really bullish area on the 10 minute.
Order filled.
Oh, so it actually won. But I was saying, like, I was a little bit iffy because price had a strong rejection off of this area right here. And so we may see, you know, buyers come in because the price went up to this area right here. And I'm looking at this zone right here. So I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm not going to go real fast because this is, you know, a zone where price reacted to very, like, intensely, and I don't want to not look at that, and you know what I mean, unless, you know, price shows me otherwise, but I don't want to like not pay attention to that because I mean, shawty, that just happened. You know, so it's like I could have maybe taken this trade right here, you know, or I could, you know, try to take another trade right here. Let's look at our 10 minute. Let's just clear all this shit. We have less than 2 minutes left off of this candle right here. So I am looking at that as a potential zone. potentially that price may want to come back into. So I am looking at that. If price ends up doing that, that's gonna be like that. I'm like thinking like that's my next potential setup, like for sure. There's nothing else on my radar because of that strong bullish move. You see, like price is literally like moving down right now, so I want to respect that. So yeah, I'll wait till I don't know, I'll let you know. Okay, so I wanted to go for this sell, but price literally tapped into the zone before it created, like, you see how that part, you see that, bro? Yeah, I'm chill. I'm cool. I don't know what that means. I don't know what's about to happen. That was not how I thought it was gonna go. But yeah, I don't want to take that lightly. If price, because price is definitely in this area right here. Or no, a buy. I'm taking a buy. This is, of course, on my trading view. I'm too scared to process anything like this, like what I'm thinking on my... What happened? What? Take profit, exit. What? What just happened? What the fuck just happened? I lost? What? Did y'all see that? What just happened? Okay, so if price, where were we? So our setup, we had a right idea, bro. It just tapped into our 10-minute before it would have been valid for us to take. But this is how everything's looking now. If price, closes like this, bullish in 30 seconds, I'm just gonna continue with the same stuff. I don't have a setup right now. I mean, the old me or trading view me probably is looking at this demand zone or supply zone and be like, you know what? Let's take it from here. Like who said? Who said? But that's just not how I'm playing this game, But I'll let you know if there's any setup for me. Actually, let's take a look at the 10-minute real quick. Okay, bye. I'm gonna buy right here. And I'm gonna go for 300. I was just looking, I was like, wait, price is pushing up, but let me see real quick. Let me see what they talking about. Check the 10-minute. I checked the 10-minute and then I saw this area that price is coming in, sweeping those stuff. So I'm like, all right, let me take a buy at this setup. It may stop me out, but like, gotta take that chance. On TradingView. The fuck? With that being said, price has formed another potential zone for us. So I'm gonna look at that. It has 1 minute left. I'm gonna go like this, depending on how everything goes. And this could be our next potential setup. We have less than 1 minute on this candle, so I don't know how it's gonna close, but if it closes like how it is right now, then we'll definitely punch in that, put in that entry. So yeah, I'll let you know. We got less than 50 seconds on this candle, so yeah. Okay, so we got 10 seconds left and that that is completely gone. I'm still in that buy setup on TradingView, of course, but yeah, that sell setup idea, yeah, it vanished. Vanished. But our buy setup might actually hit TP. Shit. This is a 1-to-1. It already hit the 1-to-1. So what I'm gonna do now, it already hit the 1-to-1. I said the 1-to-1. Our regular negative RR. So we're gonna put stops at break even or a little bit above break even, because it's pretty close. So let's see what happens. Oh, and it basically hits take profit, but it's not like TradingView specific. So yeah, let me review that. All right, man. Okay, so we are currently... Oh yeah, I was like, okay. So if we get stopped out, then we'll be $37, like break even trade. But as far as us, not really seeing anything too crazy. If we go in the 10-minute though, I'm pretty sure price gapped up from, oh yeah, like price gapped up like crazy. So I'm pretty sure price may want to continue in this direction, like selling direction. I have no idea. But there's no 10-minute zones that it may want to, continue crossing. So if price, closes bearish and, wants to continue, there's not a lot of 10-minute action that we could pay attention to. So I'll let you know if there's any setup for me. Yeah. Honestly, price isn't doing anything right now, but I honestly have to like move my car. So let's do that before I get a ticket. Today's Tuesday. Street cleaning. Oh my God. Say hi to the turtles. Wanting to move your car, but then looking at price action and you're like, let's just go. Oh shit. It's cold out here. It's a little burry out here. Oh my God. Sitting in that chair for too damn long, my legs wiggling. Ugh. All right, let's move this car. I don't know how price action is gonna look for the rest of the day. It's not looking that bad. Definitely, I think it's just trying to maybe correct itself to go up, because I think I showed you in the clip, but it was like a huge gap on the 10-minute, because I don't